Omunye wemiqhudelwano yeminyaka yonke yebhola likanobhutshuzwayo yaseSoweto iClinix Stix Morewa Soccer Challenge yethulwe esibhedlela iSolomon Stix Morewa. Lo mqhudelwano oqokwe njengokuhlonipha wayengumongameli weSAFA uSolomon Stix Morewa uthatha amasonto amathathu waziwa kakhulu ngokuvundulula ithalente lebhola elisha esifundazweni saseGauteng nasezindaweni ezizungezile. Lapho ke bekugujwa iminyaka engama-21 lo mqhudelwano wasungulwa.
The ECLINIX Stix Morewa Soccer Challenge, which celebrates 21 years this year, was officially opened at the Stix Morewa Memorial Hospital to unveil players, supporters and community members in celebration of the football and talent. The lineup for this year will involve 160 teams which across the under-11, under-13, 15 and under-17 section and under-19 sides, as well as the 40 teams in the seniors. The ladies category will also feature 16 teams.
We all start here. And before you get to the level earlier PSL, we have to start from the bottom and get to understand the game. But the coaching they does, but at least like now the sponsors, like Lorena, we played Kuputum, but there was no sponsor. So at least now there's opportunity to the sponsor, there's media. You imagine now we're talking about it. So I think it's a good platform for any player at Kalango, guys.
The Morewa family has expressed their gratitude for the tournament's positive impact on the community.
Each and every year, this tournament has been growing, and by expectations, there's 7 finals on the 2nd of August. It tells you so many divisions. So this tournament has grown by strength to strength. As ladies, we're expecting a very beautiful final on the 2nd of August. My father was very passionate about football development, so this is in line with this vision. He would have loved to see it, and I'm sure wherever he is, he's smiling.
The SAFA Johannesburg president Phil Mohodi says the tournament continues to nurture and developing players and gives them a great joy to see so many young players who have gone through the tournament successfully after passing through these fields.
The tournament have started during May. Remember, we've got 900 and something teams. Yeah, no, the final is in the 2nd of August. Already there was knockout until we got the 16 teams. Then we got a knockout for women. Then they've got the 16, but the juniors, because the juniors are massive. You find that in Soweto we've got 11 division of under 11s. 12 division of under 12, so they're massive, and then we give them an opportunity to play, and so that we're there. So August will be the finals.
With the draw out of the way, the action starts on Saturday across Soweto, and the final will be played on the 2nd of August 2025 at Chapa Soweto, formerly known as Nike Center in Pinville Stadium. For Soweto TV Sports News, I am Katlego Musielele.